Hi guys, I wanted to show you guys the fringe dress. This is what I came up with so far. The dress is actually beautiful. I ran out of supplies, so I am going to have to go back to Hobby Lobby and pick up another 5 yards. This is 15 yards, guys. So wow, this was a lot of work. But I'm loving the dress so far, guys. Comment down and let me know what you guys think about the dress. I like it a whole lot and can't wait to finish it. And of course, I won't be wearing this beautiful dress until next summer. So I wanted to show you guys what my silver fringe dress looked like on an actual person. It's very beautiful, and I couldn't turn around, guys, because the back is not completed. So this is what I got so far. So I wanted to. And guys, at the ending of the video, if you guys see the lace that's sheer by the breast, I actually had to get the little small Swarovski crystals and put